Hello learners, welcome back to Talk Nova channel, and in today's video I'm going to discuss 5 small habits that will change your life. I'm going to share 5 things with you. The first one is morning gratitude practice. Why it is important, and I also do this practice in morning. Morning gratitude is really important in my perception. Grateful for the people who give you birth in beautiful place. Mourning the gratitude, the person who gives you happiness, gratitude, grateful for that person who is in around you and give you whatever you want, give you happiness, food, comfort. Grateful for that. Every single day, grateful for God to provide each new day in life. No one knows how long and when complete our lives, and when anybody dies, no one knows these things. So grateful for everything is most important. When you start doing a morning gratitude, you can feel more calm, composed, betterment in your way of speaking and in your life. Next, morning meditation. Morning meditation is most important in my perception. Meditation is something that can reduce your stress and make you as a calm, composed person, and you can make a decision very easily. So meditation is most important. Do it. Start it from 5 minutes, 2 minutes, sitting outside your home and just close your eyes. And I'm not saying don't think anything. It's not possible. It's a monkey mind. They easily go here and there. And our thoughts, and we getting hundred of thoughts in a one single second. So I'm not saying that, but try to close your eyes and try to be calm, composed, and don't think anything about it. So morning meditation is most important. I'm also incorporated this kind of habit, but still I won't. Sometimes I'm not consistent, but yes. Okay, the next is journaling. Is my favorite topic nowadays. Journaling. I do the journaling and started doing journaling before I do the journaling, but as for now I changed the little bit techniques and the way of writing a little bit. I changed. I took help of ChatGPT and I do the journaling. Journaling can help you grow as a better person. Write whatever your thoughts comes in your mind. Be open up, whether it is sad, whether it is happy moment, whatever you do, and what are the challenges you face, what are the achievement you faced, everything just jot it down in your diary. Do the journaling. Journaling is really important. I think in my perception, journaling is most important, and so many person do this thing. And I'm also very fascinated. And as you look in this video, I put this thing in my in front of me because of to do journaling is most important nowadays. Journaling can reduce your stress and it be to becomes a better version of yourself. It's totally unbelievable result you see after doing journaling. Be open up. That's the one thing. Be open up while writing and while doing journaling. So yes, I'm also doing. So start today onwards. Don't wait for perfect time if you are enjoying. So then next is fourth, mindful eating. That is something very important in my perception. Mindful eating. When you eat something means you are totally active in your subconscious mind. So mindful eating is most important when you eat something that's very affect your mental health, your physical health, what you have in your lunch, in your dinner, and in your breakfast. So mindful eating is most important. Be regular on diet. I'm not saying, because so many person are not. It's not easy to maintain a diet, but still follow a mindful eating. Mindful eating is most important to maintain a healthy and happiest life. So yes, and I'm also trying to maintaining these things, healthy, maintaining a mindful eating. So yeah, mindful eating is a fourth tip, I guess. The next and the last and foremost and my best practice, I think, which is planning the day. Planning the day is most important, truly important in your life. When you have plan according to your routine, according to your work, according to your study, you can do easily your work. And if you don't have any plan, sometimes we are stuck. What we gonna do next, what we gonna do next, and we are not finding any way. And instead of doing something productive, we our mind just going through scrolling reels and social media. Don't do this. Instead of scrolling reel, and when you start planning your day, you have everything in your list, and you can just see and do the work in a proper time, proper manner. I'm also planning my day. I jot it down each and everything, and I plan my day sessions, what I'm gonna do next weekends, next day. So planning your day is most important when you are serious about your career, about your health, about your live. So yeah, these are the tips I want to share in this video. And after a long time recording a long videos, but now I'm really feel happy. I'm able to express my thoughts in English. So yeah. Okay, bye bye for now. Watching till end, and hope so I'm meeting next videos very soon. Bye.